Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying the cloudy weather. Let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today is the Friday 15 January 2021. It's a time of science lecture. Today's our topic of discussion is transport system in men. Students, in human beings, the various organs associated with this system includes the heart, lungs, blood vessels, capillaries, and the blood. These are the organs. Next is human heart. First point is the location of the heart, the position actually where the heart is located in our body. Students, your heart is located between your lungs, in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone, which is called sternum. A double-layered membrane called pericardium surrounds your heart like a sac. The pericardium protects the heart from any injury. Next point is size of heart. In humans, the heart is roughly the size of a large fist and weighs about 10 to 12 ounces in men and 8 to 10 ounces in women. If you close your hand and form a fist, the size of your fist is the size of your heart. Next point is structure of the heart. Students, the heart is a muscular organ which is consisted of 4 chambers, and the heart is a 4-chamber muscular organ. The heart is enclosed in a pericardial sac. Students, pericardial sac is actually surrounded by a pericardial muscle which protects your heart. Here a complete diagram of heart is shown which clearly describes that blue color indicates deoxygenated blood and red color indicates oxygenated blood. Next point is chambers of the heart. The internal cavity of the heart is divided into 4 chambers that are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and the left ventricle. This diagram shows that upper are right atrium and left atrium, and the lower are right ventricle and the left ventricle. The 2 atria are thin walled chambers that receive blood from the veins, and the 2 ventricles are thick walled chambers that forcefully pump blood out of the heart. Students, next is the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the systemic veins, which is represented by blue color, and the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from pulmonary veins, which is represented by red color. Next point is valves of the heart. The heart has 2 types of valves. The valves between the atria and the ventricles are called atrioventricular valves, also called as cuspid valves, while those at the base of the large vessels leaving the ventricles are called semilunar valves, also known as tricuspid valve. This diagram shows the 4 valves of the heart. Next point is when the ventricle contract, atrioventricular valve close to prevent blood from flowing back into the atria, and when the ventricles relax, semilunar valves close to prevent the blood from flowing back into the ventricles. Students, actually the function of valve is to prevent the backflow of the blood. Next point is working of the heart. The heart works as 2 pumps, one on the right and one on the left, working simultaneously. Blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle and then is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. From the lungs, the blood flows to the left atrium, then to the left ventricle. From there, it is pumped to systemic circulation. Here, a detailed diagram of heart is shown. Students, Next point is function of the heart. The human heart is an organ that pumps the blood throughout the body via the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other wastes. Students, here I am giving you the classwork. Your classwork is to write the question related to the today's topic. The question is, explain the structure of the heart with the help of the diagram. Open your copies, maintain your page, and then write the answer of the question. Thank you, students.